Creating a radio or telephone sound effect in Adobe Premiere Pro is super easy. Here's an original clip just for reference.
This is an example of a radio voice.
And to turn this clip into that radio sound, you're going to want to go to the top and select Window, and we're going to go to the Essential Sound panel. Once you've opened up the Essential Sound panel, you're going to select whatever audio clip has got the dialogue that you want to have that radio effect and select it as dialogue. Then you're going to select the EQ icon down here and change that preset to old radio. And then now, whenever I play it, it'll actually sound just like that old radio.
This is an example of a radio voice.
You can do the same thing for telephone. You're just going to go down to on the telephone in that preset again. Let's hear it one more time.
This is an example of a radio voice.
So it's a super easy way to give it that old radio feel for whatever project that you're using. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a like if it has helped, and leave a comment down below of what project you are using this effect for.